So an update video on the 2nd Gen Camaro. There will be more videos coming very soon of this car, but this is just the update. Now in the middle, I know the base is not covered here because we're going to put hood straps. There ain't no use wasting product when it's going to be covered up anyway. Color of this is dark shadow gray. That turned out pretty good. Once it's cut and buffed, it's going to be, I think, awesome, personally. I did get a couple runs in it. Got one here. I got a bad one on the other door. And I think I got one back here somewhere, I thought. Oh, went ahead and installed new door locks. You can see a quarter panel right here. Looks extremely good. You can never tell that those has been cut and welded in unless you look from inside the trunk. The tail panel also is getting blacked out when we do the hood straps, so I didn't paint there. Did paint underneath because we gotta have that. All the jams was painted first. You can see going down this. I got caught up and I run the door right here. Gotta sand that one out. That one's gonna take some time. That's a sag. I have dealt with runs that's been worse than that, so I ain't worried about a run. Thought I runned it one more place. Thought I had 3 on this car. Oh, right here. The roof had a ton of hail damage or something on it. I don't know if you've seen in previous videos, but I skimmed coated this and blocked this all down, primed it, and we blocked it. There's plenty of updates of this car. Interior needs cleaned. It's a little dusty. Gonna detail it. All this right here. Gonna wash it, detail it, clean it up all nice, clean the carpet. The jams has been painted to match the car. Right there. Doors close extremely good. Gapped. Looks good. The rocket panels we installed. Sexy. All this we installed from the other car. This was eat out. It's sexy too. And smooth. Look at it. It's got some urethane wave. All these we patched in a previous video. These fenders was needing replaced. Let's be honest. But we saved them. And they should last another good 10 years, hopefully. But the car has come a long way from when we started. I still got to paint the spoiler right here. Paint it to match the body and the nose piece on it. Look down it. That's awesome. Here's the rocker panel on this side. And the door. Here's that lower fender. It was my normal layer top down, not too windy of a day. Spray, tack between coats and spray. And it did get dirt here and there in it, a little pollen, you can see it, but all that will buff out. This has got 5 coats of base with a drop and 4 coats of clear coat on it. And if you look down it, it's got some urethane wave. That little bit of wave you see, that will come out when we buff it. When we take and sand this car, get ready to buff it, sand it with a hard block first, and that will take every bit of that urethane wave out. Now I just wanted to make a quick update video because I ain't uploaded in a couple days. Now, I will be making full videos again very soon. It's just I needed to get this in paint and get this progress done and that way we can start assembling it. I done installed new door locks. I'm debating on installing new door handles, because this one's got the cover here and this one does not, and they are pretty rusty. The spring probably will break soon. Gotta clean everything up, paint the mirrors, paint the nose piece, paint the spoiler, paint the stripes. But other than that, yeah, she'll be done very soon. And then we can cut and polish, which I might cut and polish once I get the stripes on it. Gonna try to do them in a day or so. Hopefully I can make a full video. Hopefully you enjoyed it. She looks good, don't she? She could win a car show. And to think, this was built. You've seen the videos. If you're new, check them out. This car's got a whole playlist. 70s Camaro conversion. You can do this right in your own driveway. You know, this car, once it gets stripes on it, even if it didn't have stripes, look, it could win a car show. Can't say it can't. This job is better than most car show cars. Go look at it. She's painted. Need a thumbnail. What do you think? And it was painted dirt floor. You see yep, some milk of what you can do with just taking the proper time and a little bit of knowledge that you see on TV, and practice makes perfect. I've been painting ever since I was 3 years old, and some people might not know this, but I do got the degrees to paint, and I still paint on the dirt floor and still get pretty good results. So hope you enjoyed. See you next time. Like, comment, all that good stuff. Check the eBay store out. Thanks for watching.